Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Big Cartel for dropshipping in 2023. Big Cartel of course provides a sleek platform to showcase and sell products without the hassle of managing inventory. With dropshipping, you can offer a wide range of products to your customers without holding physical stock. So whether you are a seasonal pro or new to the game, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of using Big Cartel or for dropshipping. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and set up your Big Cartel store. So if you're new to Big Cartel, of course, head up to their website. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, you can go to this URL section as example and simply type bigcartel.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, make sure to go and click on sign up to create an account for yourself. But if you have an account, you can simply go and click on login to log in into your account if you're starting to see the price. And as you can see, here is it. You can pause the video and check them all by your own. For me, I'm just going to log in right into my account because I already have an account. And of course, you always have this chat if you want or if you need any support. If you struggle with anything, you will be able to chat with them. An example with the support, it's just a bot. And of course, if they couldn't help you, they will even drive you to a real person support if you still need help. So let's just ignore that at the moment. So first, you'll have to start by getting started checklist. As you can see, I still just verified the first one, as you can see, which is just this only one completed. For you, make sure to finish all of that to set up your store correctly. Because without that, you'll not be able to start like doing dropshipping without setting up your store. So make sure to add your product or verify first your location currency, add your products, explore shipping profiles, connect the payments processor, design your shop, and finally launch your shop. And of course, after that, make sure to research and choose dropshipping suppliers. So identify reputable dropshipping suppliers that aligns with your niche. You can research their products, offering, shipping times, and quality to ensure a positive customer experience. Then make sure to even like import products to your store. You can connect with your chosen dropshipping supplier and import their products into your Big Cartel store. You can create some compiling products description, add set some competitive prices, and add some high quality images. An example here, if you click on add products, as you can see, you'll find this option of import products. You'll be able to import products. As an example, if you want to import products as CSV file, if you have a CSV file of your products, you can simply go and import that, click on get started, choose the CSV file on your PC, and the products will all be imported. If you want to know how to import like some products from Printful or Printify or something like that, I've already made a videos on how to do that exactly. You can go and check them out, of course, but or if you can simply click at your account at the top right corner here. As an example, go to bottom of the page, click on browse apps and integrations. Make sure to look for whatever dropshipping supplier that could be supported by Big Cartel. From here, simply click on that, and from there you'll be able to choose whatever dropshipping supplier you want and start dealing with them. And of course, so let's just even quit this here. Of course, after that, once you import your products, once you're done with this, make sure to go and manage the pricing and profit margins. So you can, of course, calculate your pricing strategy carefully. You can consider like the product's cost, shipping fees, and your desired profit margin to determine your retail price as an example. But of course, make sure to verify all of those and to finish all of those. And of course, if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see even like the visitors, and you'll be able to keep an eye on the analytics of your store. As an example, you'll be able to see the visitors, the orders, the conversions, and even the revenue that you made if you want in all time, in just this year, just this month, just the last 13 days or the last 7 days, depending on whatever suits you. So, of course, after that, make sure to handle orders and customers' data. So, when customers place orders on your Big Cartel store, this information or the information is automatically forwarded to your dropshipping supplier. They will handle order fulfillment, shipments, and tracking. So, for you, you will have to establish a clear communication with your dropshipping supplier and ensure that they have accurate order details, address any special like instructions could be asked by the customer, and address any customer inquiries promptly. And finally, of course, or you can, of course, monitor your inventory and availability. You can check, of course, or regularly make sure to check product availability with your suppliers. Remove or update products that are out of stock to prevent any disappointment customers. And you can, of course, provide outstanding customer service while you're not physically handling products. Exceptional customer service remains crucial. Address customer inquiries, concerns, and issues promptly to maintain a positive reputation. And of course, you'd like to continuously optimize your store. This is very important step. Regularly assess your product's offering, pricing strategy, and customer experience. Adapt and optimize your store based on customer feedbacks and sale performance. Make sure to regularly even update the design of your store. You can hire some professionals on Fiverr as an example and let them update the design of your store from like 1 year to another so your customers will have a fresh eye on your store and they will not get bored of it. Of course, it will be more attracting every time, so it should be better, not worse, or something like that. And of course, you can always, as I said, use the help of this big cartel, as you can see. So every step you're trying to do, they will actually help you with anything. If you're just new, if you're just new to the domain, you don't know nothing about big cartel or dropshipping, of course, you can always go and hit this option at the bottom right corner, and once you click on it, of course, as you can see, you'll be able to search our help site example, so you can see if you have any concerns or questions. You can search for answers here, and of course, you can also, as an example, go and ask a question right away to the bot. And of course, if the bot don't have an answer for that, you'll have to wait for a real customer support. And today is Sunday, so I guess no one is working today. Hi there, just heads up, and that isn't live chat as you can see, but leave your message here and we'll reply as soon as we can. So as you can see, the support of Big Cartel will come back to you as soon as they can. So if you have any questions, if you didn't find the answer in search our help site, you'll be able to ask the questions right away on the chat. And of course, they will answer you as soon as they can. So finally, of course, you'll have to keep your finger on the pulse of your product lineup and pricing strategy and overall customer experience. So fine tune and refine based on the valuable feedback you gathered from your customers and the performance metrics. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully unlocked the power of dropshipping using Big Cartel in 2020. With the approach, or with this approach, you can offer like a diverse range of products without the burden of inventory management. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscription would mean the world to us. So as you continue your e-commerce journey, remember that Big Cartel is your canvas and dropshipping is your brush to create a seamless and profitable online store. So thank you for joining me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.